What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I am packing for my Appalachian Trail hiking trip that I'm going to be taking tonight. We're actually leaving at 7 o'clock. So I'm packing all my stuff. I just got this awesome hat, which I'm very excited about. And we're gonna be driving there tonight and then starting the hike tomorrow. I just got a new hiking backpack, which I'm super excited about, and it should be a good time. We have been driving all night to get to the trail, and I'm gonna show you guys the view. We took a little pit stop. Now we're gonna go and meet my uncle at Fontana Dam, I think.